All right, party people in the place to be. Back at it again. Today we're going to be doing what they call an ActiveTrack test between nice high quality Air 3S and the new Mavic 4 Pro. Now, all right, without further ado, let's get this thing popping. All right, party people. We got the Air 3S up in the air. We're gonna do that ActiveTrack. We're gonna give some little walkie walk. And right off the bat, we're gonna put that bad boy over this way, and it automatically responds. We're going to put that bad boy over yonder, over to the right-hand side, automatically responds. All right, let's go ahead. Let's put it all the way to the left. Automatically responds. Look at that. It's a beautiful thing, people. And we got wind blowing now. Let's bring it on up a little bit more so we don't hit these light poles. All right. Now, let's put it in front of us. Automatically responds. It's a beautiful thing, people. Beautiful thing. Beautiful, beautiful thing. All right, now let's make it go all the way to the back of us. Automatically responds. And then we can make it come in a little bit. Automatically responds, people. Let's bring it on over here. It avoids the light pole. That's what I'm talking about. Automatically responds. And then back to the front. Automatically responds, people. And then bam. So when it comes to ActiveTrack, and I'm turning around and it still has to adjust to turn around to me. So it's automatically responding, people. Look at that. Look at that. And so there you go. When it comes to ActiveTrack, the Air 3S has got to be one of the best in the biz. Mavic 4 Pro. Let's see what it does with the ActiveTrack. All right, so now we got the Mavic 4 Pro. Hit that old ActiveTrack, people. Let's do the same thing. Let's do the same thing. Get it up a little higher. And let's go to the right. All right, it looked like it did a little something. Let's go to the forward. Now see that it hesitated, it took a little sweet time. Then it overshot me. It's not directly in front of me. And it's gotta go back. DJI, man, come on. This drone costs us a pretty penny. It needs to be able to be just as effective as the Air 3S. Let's go to the left. Will it overshoot the left? Yeah, it's kind of behind me. So let's go forward and right, about right here. See what it got. Yeah, so it went higher. And basically it's doing what it want to do. Okay, I feel you. But as you can see, that little green trail disappeared. And again, It's overshooting me. It's not really in front of me. It's to the left of me. And then it kind of fixes itself, and then it kind of sways. Yeah, we need a firmware update for this DJI. And so now we're going to make it work for it. It's got to think about it for a hot minute. But it got there. Go directly behind me, make it easy on you. See, it's got to think about it. The Air 3S would have went strictly behind me, and you see that little green trail disappear. And now remember, when I came this way, I made the Air 3S go forward, and I turned around, go in front of me, and I turned around while I was doing it, and it had to adjust to it. And the Pro is doing it. Just took a little hot minute, but it's still not directly in front of me. It's overshooting me. So yeah, there you go. You got two of the baddest in the industry going head to head. Obviously, I feel like the Air 3S won this round, but we know DJI, they'll fix it with a firmware update. I just saw that I got a firmware update right now. It might be already fixed, people, but I'm just putting it out there for you, something I noticed. And it's the same thing when you're in a vehicle. I just feel like if I did it while I was walking, it'll be way more obvious. And now, let's catch it. Easy peasy. All right, people, so there you go. You got two of the best in their line, went head to head, and I feel like the Air 3S is better at ActiveTrack right now. So what do y'all think? Let me know down in the comments. Appreciate y'all watching this video. Appreciate the love. It's your boy, the Drone Dreamer. To the next episode, people. Peace.